Hey guys, I'm Sanjeev. In this video, I'll show you a new features of Excel, text to column and format painter. What's till then to learn interesting thing. How to use format painter. You have put a lot of effort in calculating a worksheet. You would usually want to add some finishing touches to make it look nice and presentable. I'm talking about the Excel format painter. Let's make it easy to take the formatting of one Excel and copy it to another. Let's take an example. In all Excel versions, the Format Painter button is located on Home tab in Clipboard group. Select the cell with formatting you want to copy, Format Painter, and copy here. That's it. Moving forward to text to column in Excel. Text to column is an amazing feature in Excel. It is used to split the text into multiple columns. For example, if we have a first name and a last name in the same cell, and you can use this is quickly split this into two different cells like first name and last name. Select data set, go to data tab, data tools, and text to column. To access text to column, you can also use the shortcut key Alt AE. Make sure delimiter is selected. Click on next button. Select space. Click to next. Select destination. If you don't select a destination cell, it would overwrite your existing data set with the first name and in first and last name in the adjacent column. If you want to keep the original data in, take either create a copy or choose different cell. So I choose F4, then click to finish. It is not working. Why? Because we choose other instead of space. Let's delete. Select data set, go to data, text to column, delimited, click to next, and space. Data preview now visible. Click to next and select destination. My destination is this, and then finish. Here you go. This technique works well when you're the name constitute of the first name and the last name only. In case there are initial or middle name, then this might not work. Let's take another example. Split email IDs into user name and domain name. Text to column allow you to choose your own delimiter to split text. Select dataset, go to data tools, go to text to column, choose delimited, click to next, and then change other like this. Click to next, and my destination is F4, then finish. My username and domain address display split successfully. Sometimes we get data from dataset or we import it from text file, there is a possibility that date format is incorrect. Let's convert invalid date format into valid date format. Select dataset, go to data tools, text to column, delimited. None of this should be selected. This is all. Delete everything. Click to next. Here is some date format. Would means month, date and year. Date, month, year. Year, month, date. Month, year, date. And date, year, month. Year, date and month. We should check dataset format, that which format use, then we apply according to their formats. Like my format is this: year, then month, and then date. So my year, then month, and then date. This is a correct format. Choose destination place. I choose E5. Click to finish. Here you go. My date format, valid date format is appear. Select dataset. Go to text to column. Next. This is unchecked. None of this should be selected. Click to next. Now check our data format. First is date, second is month, and third one is year. So date, month, year, this one. My destination cells is this. Then click to finish. Here you go. Sometimes when you import data from the database or other file format, the number are converted into text format. There are several ways can happen: having an apostrophe before the number and getting number as a result of text function like left, mid. Let's take example. Sometimes we want to sum data but it display 0 instead of sum. Let's try equal to sum. Then enter. Because this is a text format. So how can we convert into number format? Select dataset, go to text to column, delimited, next. Next, and this is general. None of this should be selected. This should be blank. Next, general, and then destination. Change the destination cells, otherwise replace existing data. Finish. Let's convert into number. Right click, select dataset, go to text to column, click to next. None of this should be selected. Click to next, and then general. My destination is this. And finish. Sum. Now it is calculating. And sometimes you may need to extract the first 5 characters of a string. This could be the case when you have transaction data. Let's take an example. This is data. Select dataset, go to text to column, and now make sure fixed with is selected. Click on next button. In the data preview section, drag the vertical line like this and place it after 5 characters in the text. Click on next, change destination. My destination is this, and then finished. My text and number are extracted from this dataset. You can set more than one vertical lines as well to split data into more than 2 columns. Let's take an example. Right click, go to text to column, fixed width, click to next and type 2 times arrow and next and finish here. Sometimes you may fix yourself fixing the number with leading 0. So let's take an example. Select dataset, go to text to column, fix, go to next, and this is my go to next, and my destination place is here. This is appear without leading 0. How can we fix this? Let's delete this. Go to dataset, text to column, fixed width, next, and then this, go to back, select arrow, this is arrow, next, and now it is showing general. You can also change the text from select text, this as well text, and change destination place. My destination place is this. Let's finish. Here you go. This ID with the leading 0. Sometimes you may fix yourself fixing the number with the trailing minus sign and making this number negative. How can we fix this? Go select dataset, right click, go to text to format, next, go to advanced setting and check. When you first time you open, this is unchecked, then check. Okay, go to destination place, here, finish. Now it's converted negative number instead of trailing minus. This is all about text to column. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more video, please subscribe my channel. We will learn data sorting using custom list and summarize data using group and outline in next video. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.